Hey all, it's Sam here from what used to be 2020 Gaming UK, from altusroleplaying.co.uk, and from a few other Altus Roleplaying websites and servers. I'm actually starting a brand new GTA 5 UK Police RP clan. Now you might say, well, what does that mean? Basically, if you've played on one of my servers before for Altus Life and you weren't banned, basically you're welcome to come and take part in this. We'll be playing online using a single player co-op mod, which means we're not breaking any terms or anything like that of Rockstar, if they're doing that, so we can have mods online. We'll be using LSPDF4, which generates callouts, allows you to check reg plates, and all things like that. We're going to have a full structure, full SCO19, full SCO19 spread. We'll have a command structure from the top to the bottom, and we already have all the cars. We have a nice Range Rover there, you can see, with the lights working. We're getting the ELS sorted out, which will mean we'll have a lot more options for where the lights go, where we put them on the vehicles. But we've already got all, I say all, we're about 3 short of all the police cars we need. So we're just sorting out the uniforms now. And I've got a uniforms mod in, but it's not currently working. I have to tweak it a bit and get it sorted out, so I just basically try and look as least American as I can. This is actually UK, I was using this, I should say, as a UK pilot thing because of the colour. But yeah, what basically this is all about is that if you liked being a cop on Altus Life, if you like being a baddie on Altus Life, a gang member, whatever, then I'm looking for you to come and talk to me. Because apart from having the GTA 5 police side of things, we want to have a group of people who consistently play the bad guys, or the civs, let's say. You know, the people who, you can be a normal civ, just your day-to-day thing, or you can be, a major gang and recruit your own people. That's all up to you. So what I need starting off is basically the people who come in and give me a hand out with the mods. If you're not interested in doing that kind of stuff, then you can just come talk to me and we'll get something sorted for you to do, as in to get patrolling, so as we can get online. And we've got some other stuff to sort out, but we're nearly there. I'm practically 90% at this stage finished with all the mods that we're going to be using. So as I said, we have some of the vehicles. I'm going to show you some of them now. So this is the Range Rover here. This is my personal favourite at the moment. I'm going to kill the siren. We also have a computer. We can look up stuff. This is a mod. So we can look up vehicle database, we can look up previous searches. There's the call details and the updates on it. There you go there. And you can call backup and things like that from here as well. So, I'm going to use this trainer menu to spawn in the vehicles, just to show you what we have so far in emergency. Start from the top. We have all UK ambulance and uniforms. No, that didn't work out so well. Okay, so there's I think that's a Volvo. Oh, it's BMW. Let me just go forward a bit, because it's crashing there. So there's the BMW. That's the first one. We have an FIB2, which is like an undercover version as well. We'll be undercover when we're finished. Fire truck, lifeguard. I think we even have a lifeguard. Yeah, we do. We have a Coast Guard, HM Coast Guard. We have a police cruiser. Don't know where this is going to go, but we'll see. Yep, this is the Audi. I don't know what make or model or whatever it is, but it's basically, it's the CVR. That's what I'm going to guess at. But yeah, there we have one of our patrols. There we have another one of our patrols, which is the BMW. Another patrol, which I believe is a Vauxhall something. Vauxhall Astra or something, I don't know. Don't know cars that well. On my Corsa we have I think this is the traffic, specialist traffic something, yeah, A and Pure fitted, I think that's what this is. We even have the bikes, because guess what, PCSOs will be on the bikes. We have the Rancher, I think that's the American one, and the Road Cruiser. I believe the Maverick is the UK. This one you probably recognise if you played on Altus Live servers. The Park Ranger is the Range Rover, and I believe the rest are Yeah, the Sheriff Cruiser is the BMW, causing a mess here. The Sheriff Cruiser is the BMW, and I believe that's highways. I think that's going to be highways. And the Sheriff SUV is the estate version of the BMW, I think. Or is it the Skoda? I can't really tell. Either way, it all works. That's what we have so far in vehicles-wise. I can tell you that we already have. Actually, we have the van to replace that already. I believe it's just in a different place. Let me have a look up here. Hang on a second. You see, can I find it? It's a prison bus. Nope. Police riot. No. Here we go. Get out of here before this blows up. So yeah, there we have the police van as well. It says Lancashire Constabulary on the side. As I said, it's got full sirens. I don't know why is a motorbike helmet on already. And there's the lights. One of the great features we have, some of the mods we have. Just dump that helmet. I don't know why he's got it on. One of the other things we have is a wardrobe where we can go into different apparel. I'd say that there is kind of the nearest we're gonna get. There was supposed to be a Manchester Police one in, a Met Police one in, but I can't seem to find it. But then we have this feature here, which allows us to go to the back of the car and get out a armor and guns. Even though it looks like he's doing a dance. Here we go, medkit and vest equipped. So each car will have that. There'll be nothing physical in the cars because we don't, it'll be all done by rank. So what's the mod? What's the whole plan going to be all about? Well, basically we're going to go online and we're going to have scenarios where we roleplay call out. So yeah, if you're interested in all this, if you want to come on and get involved, I'll show you the inside of this vehicle. Pretty cool. There you go. You've got a computer. You can't really see it. I can show you kind of through there. You've got a computer down there. See the green screen? Got a computer down there. And the lights. We'll also be having UK sirens. And we'll be having all UK laws. So we'll be able to give people penalty point. Ooh, you would stop, wouldn't you? Be able to give people penalty points, and tickets and fines, and we might even have a court system. You can come on and be a civ. You can come on and do your normal thing. Get a chase from the cops or be a witness or whatever it is. Or you can come on and actually apply to be a cop. And if you want to be a cop, that's where you're going to have the rank and the structure from Altus Life UK servers, like 2020 Gaming and Altus Role Playing. But this time we have the mods to actually make this good. I search the car, and you'll see all the doors and little bits open. And I go around and I search it. I search the doors, the back, and the sides, and everything. Give it a second. It'll tell me what's in the car, and then it's going to search everything and give us a detail. A taser, wire cutters, pouch of tobacco, a box of condoms, nothing of interest. So, as you can see, it's extensive. The doors all close automatically again. And we can then use a mod here, which allows us to do gives us a tow truck. You can hear the radio crackles there, and he says I need a tow truck my location. And then very quickly we'll have a tow truck. This is quite awesome. It's quite a cool feature for getting rid of all cars on the road. Are parked wrong, or then whoop, gets teleported, attached to the tow truck, and off it goes. If you were part of the Grand Theft Auto, the Altus Life police force on my server, past or present, doesn't matter. I don't want any old beefs or any old problems being brought forward into this. Any cop is welcome to come and patrol the streets of Los Santos. We'll be patrolling it as a unit, as a group, using tactics, and we'll be using UK laws and fines, UK systems, UK voice chat. We'll have a dispatcher. There's going to be a rule that basically, once the main core of the group of people who are playing this, setting this up with me, gets sorted out, anyone who wants to join the police has to spend a few weeks as a dispatcher first. And that's simply because we need to know that they know how to use the radios properly, need to know that they can communicate properly, interact properly, and that they're online a lot. If after a week or two of doing that, then they move on to become a PCSO. And PCSOs are allowed to patrol with other police of a certain rank, and if there's no police or will have rank on, they can get onto a motorbike and go patrol on their own, anywhere they like. So, again, there's systems in place, and everything's in place and written down. There's Google Docs done. There's all sorts of information and stuff ready to go. All they need now is for some people to come along and get some stuff finalized. So, with that being said, if you're interested in applying, if you're interested in becoming part of the clan, there's no name set as yet, then come to my TeamSpeak. The link will be in the description below. More videos will be appearing on this channel as I add more mods and get some stuff sorted out. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you soon on my TS, and I'm looking forward to patrolling with you soon. Bye.